Recent layoffs at the Tata Consultancy Services, India's largest IT company, has sparked good amount of conversations and debates. Around 12,000 techies lost the job. It also ignited conversations on the future of jobs. What will happen to the future? Will the job will exist? Will AI will take over everything? All these conversations and debates are in the air. I think it is better to analyze a future of jobs report prepared by World Economic Forum. It has been prepared with inputs from around 100 employers globally, representing around 14 million workforce, around 22 different segments. So globally, every employer says broadening digital access will be a key transformation trend across all domains, which is true as well. Secondly, there is a huge demographic trend that is happening. As you see in the higher income countries, you see an aging population, and in the developing countries, we see a young workforce. This demographic trend also plays a key role in understanding the future of jobs in the next 5 years. One very critical data that World Economic Forum speaks about is regarding the skills. It says 40% skills will be outdated by 2030. So 40% of the skills that you possess now in your current job, that you have already learned now, will be outdated by 2030. So the key is staying adaptable. Unless and until you are updated on real-time basis, it is very difficult to stay in the current market. World Economic Forum Future of Job reports also says the most sought after skill by the employers is still being analytical thinking. So friends, students, please improve your analytical thinking skills, because it is still being regarded as one of the most sought after skill by employers. Let's see what will happen by 2030. By 2030, the jobs definitely will be lost, and around 92 million jobs will be lost. Let us look at the fastest growing skills by 2030. The fastest growing skills, as you all know, will be AI, big data, networks, cyber security. These are the fastest growing skills of the time. Future of Job reports also talks about what will happen by 2030. By 2030, definitely jobs will be lost. There are 92 million job loss will be there by 2030. 92 million jobs will be lost in next 5 years. But don't worry, there will be a new jobs of 170 million being created. So you see a job loss of 92 million. You see a net increase in the jobs of 170 million new jobs. And from the base, you definitely see an increase of 7%. So by 2030, 92 million jobs being lost, 170 million new jobs being added, and a 7% net increase will happen. And let's look at the fastest growing jobs in 2025-2030. Big data specialist top the list, followed by fintech engineer, AI and machine learning engineer, software and application developer, security management specialist, data warehousing specialist, etc. I don't think so this comes to you as a surprise. But the surprising thing is, what are the fastest declining jobs? Postal service clerks, bank teller, data entry clerk, cashier, administrative assistant, etc. All this data entry, executive assistant jobs, administrative jobs, cashier and clerical jobs are on a decline. If you look at the largest growing jobs by number, surprisingly, farm worker tops the list, followed by light truck service drivers, software application developer, building framers, shop salesperson, etc. And the largest declining jobs, still the cashier and ticket clerks tops the list, followed by administrative assistants, building cleaners, material recording and stock keeping, printing related workers, etc. So friends, the key is being adaptable, being updated on a regular basis. Also, you should find the right fit for you. Unless and until you land in the right career in these tough times, it will be very difficult for you to survive. Draw My Career can help you find the right fit for you. So land into the right course, right college, right career, and stay updated. Good day.